Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest headaches for any business, figuring out if your marketing is actually working. We're going to dive into how GoHighLevel uses its built-in tools to give you a clear answer. So let's get right into it. So, does this sound familiar? You're pouring money into ads, you're posting on social media, you're sending out all these emails. But when a client asks, hey, what are we actually getting for all this? It feels like you're just staring into a void. You see all this activity, but connecting it to actual real-world results, man, that can be tough. And that brings us to what I like to call the reporting nightmare. It's that classic problem, right? You've got a dozen different tools for everything. One for your emails, another for your ads, a different one for your website, and you're trying to tape it all together to tell some kind of story. And that's the real kicker, isn't it? You are absolutely swimming in data, but you are starving for real insights. You've got website traffic over here, email open rates over there, and your sales numbers are in a totally different system. Trying to track the true ROI from that very first ad someone saw all the way to the final sale, it just becomes this massive, frustrating puzzle. This is the exact problem that GoHighLevel, or GHL as most people call it, was built to fix. The whole idea behind the platform is this one big promise: to get rid of that messy, scattered mess of tools and give you one single integrated place where all your data can finally talk to each other. So, what is it really? Well, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform. The whole point is to bring everything, your CRM, your funnels, your emails, even your phone system, all under one roof, so you can actually see the entire customer journey from start to finish. And, for a lot of users, this all-in-one promise really delivers. One user on Reddit just nailed it, saying you can absolutely scale up an entire sales and marketing department with 99% just GHL. I mean, that's a pretty bold statement about how much this thing can do. But let's be real here and get a balanced view. It's not always a perfect world. For every bit of praise, you'll find comments like this one. Yes, so many bugs. I have 7 open tickets right now. And that really highlights the reality of a platform that is moving super fast and always adding new stuff. And this really gets to the heart of what GHL is all about. People often say it's incredibly powerful, but also kind of clunky. It has this amazing flexibility. Some people compare it to a blank page in Notion, but that also means the learning curve can be steep. The very features that give you total control can feel pretty overwhelming when you're just starting out. Okay, so knowing the tool is both powerful and a bit complicated. How do we actually use it for reporting? Well, the key isn't just to dive into a sea of data. It's about having a smarter strategy before you even look at a single chart. This slide lays out a really powerful way to think about it. See, great reporting doesn't start with data, it starts with the goal. First, you figure out the outcome. What does the client really want? More leads? More sales? Then you make a hypothesis, basically an educated guess. You start with a question like, I bet our holiday content does best in November. And then you use the data to see if you're right. And this table just illustrates that difference perfectly. An observation is just a fact. Recipe roundups get more traffic before Christmas. Okay, cool. But the insight is the why behind it. Aha, users are planning their holiday meals way in advance. And the action is what you do about it. Let's publish our holiday recipes earlier next year. That is the whole point of good reporting. Okay, so with that strategy in our back pocket, let's look at how we can actually apply it using the tools inside GoHighLevel to track performance, sales, and all that good stuff. Let's start with a classic way to test a hypothesis: A/B testing your messaging. Inside GHL's Funnel Builder, it's super easy to create different versions of a landing page to see what really connects with people. This is a direct way to track how well your campaign is performing. Here's a great real-world example. A user was testing 2 different headlines. Headline A is all about uncovering an idea. Headline B shifts the focus to monetizing what you already know. GHL will automatically split the traffic between these two, and the analytics will show you clear as day which headline gets more people to sign up. Now that is an actionable insight. All right, let's move on to one of the most powerful reporting features there is: attribution. This is how you finally connect the dots between your marketing and your sales. It literally shows you which ad, which post, or which email actually led to a conversion. As one user put it, this feature is insanely useful. And why is that? Because you can go to a client and say, look, see this Facebook ad right here? That was the first thing that brought this customer to us. And this email we sent last week, that was the last thing they saw before they decided to buy. This is how you prove your value and track how efficient your sales pipeline really is. So, what about tracking client engagement? This is where GHL's workflows are an absolute game changer. They're basically automated sequences that do things based on what a user does. So, for example, when someone fills out a form, you can automatically send a personalized email, and then maybe a text reminder 24 hours later. The system can even change what it does based on whether they reply or not, making sure no lead ever gets forgotten. And hey, it's not just about sales funnels. GHL also has a whole dashboard just for reputation management. It pulls in all your reviews from Google and Facebook into one spot so you can see what people are saying and respond right away. For local businesses, this is a huge deal for tracking what your clients think. Okay, so let's bring this all home. When you combine that smart outcome-first strategy with these powerful integrated tools, you can finally stop reporting on vanity metrics and start reporting on what actually matters, connecting your work to dollars and cents. You've probably seen charts like this G2 grid before, where they rank different software. Well, think of GoHighLevel's reporting dashboard as a way to build your own internal grid. You get to decide what metrics are most important. Maybe it's pipeline value, or conversion rate, or appointment show-up rate, and you can build custom reports to track exactly that over time. The ultimate goal here, the big win, is moving from all those disconnected numbers we talked about at the start to a complete, full funnel view. You can actually follow a lead from the second they click an ad, through every single email and text, all the way until they become a paying customer. And you can see exactly where things are getting stuck along the way. And this stuff really works. The impact is real. One source pointed out that just by automating their follow-ups using workflows, businesses have seen client engagement go up by over 40%. That's the power of having all your data connected and then acting on it. So this brings us to the final question, and it really gets to the heart of the Go High Level experience. The platform gives you an absolutely incredible amount of power and control over your data and automation. But with all that power comes complexity. So the question you have to ask yourself is this: for your business, is having that total control worth pushing through that steep learning curve? That's really the key thing to think about. Thanks for tuning in to this explainer.